In this question, we will find which one is compound X. Question tells us that in oxidation of organic molecules, sometimes they gain oxygen atoms, sometimes they lose hydrogen atoms, or sometimes both in the same oxidation. When they gain oxygen atom, one oxygen atom is from one water molecule. At the same time, two H plus and two electrons are produced. If hydrogen atom is lost, one H plus will be produced and one electron will be produced. These electrons are accepted by the reducing agent, potassium dichromate 6 in this case. One mole of potassium dichromate 6 will accept 6 moles of electrons to be reduced. So compound X will be the organic molecule which oxidizes by potassium dichromate 6 in the mole ratio of 1 to 3. So oxidation of 1 mole of X will produce 2 moles of electrons. So the 3 moles of X will produce 6 moles of electrons, and the 6 moles of electrons will be accepted by the 1 mole of potassium dichromate. Let's look at molecule in A, propanol. When propanol is oxidized by dichromate 6 ions, it will form a propanoic acid. From propanol to propanoic acid, one oxygen is gained here, so one water molecule is needed. So when one oxygen atom is gained, two H plus will be formed together with two electrons being produced. So oxidation of 1 mole of propanol, 1 mole of oxygen is gained. From the propanol molecule, no hydrogen atom is lost. So total number of moles of electrons produced will be 2 moles. So how many moles of propanol will react with 1 mole of potassium dichromate? 3 moles, because 1 mole of propanol will produce 2 moles of electrons, and 1 mole of potassium dichromate requires 6 moles of electrons to be reduced. So the answer to this question is A, but let's look at why B, C, and D are not the answers. Let's draw the structure of propan-1-ol. It will be oxidized to propanoic acid. Again, 1 mole of propan-1-ol gains 1 mole of oxygen atoms. So that oxygen atom is from water molecule. So 2 moles of hydrogen ions and 2 moles of electrons are also being produced. 2 hydrogen atoms are lost from this CH2 so that C double bond O can form. So add 2 more hydrogen ions because 1 hydrogen atom lost will produce 1 hydrogen ion and 1 electron. So 2 hydrogen atoms are lost, 2 hydrogen ions. So 2 plus 2, 4, and electrons, another 2, 4 electrons. So propan-1-ol gains 1 oxygen, loses 2 hydrogen atoms. Total number of electrons produced here will be 4. So we need 1.5 moles of propan-1-ol to produce 6 moles of electrons. So propan-1-ol doesn't react with potassium dichromate in the mole ratio of 1 to 3. The next compound is propan-1,2-diol. One oxygen atom is gained from one water molecule. 4 hydrogen atoms are lost, 2 from here, 1 from here, and another one from here. Together with the hydrogen ions from water, so 6 hydrogen ions in total are produced. Propan-1,2-diol gains 1 oxygen, lost 4 hydrogen atoms, 2 electrons from here, 4 electrons from here, so 6 electrons are formed. 1 mole of potassium dichromate 6 will oxidize 1 mole of propan 1,2-diol. C is not the answer. The last one, propan 1,3-diol. Oxidation of propan 1,3-diol is 2 oxygen, loses 4 hydrogen, together with 4 more hydrogen from the water, 8 hydrogen ions will be produced. So 2 oxygen were gained, 4 hydrogen atoms were lost, 4 electrons from here, 4 electrons from the 4 hydrogen atoms. So altogether 8 electrons. So 0.75 moles of propan 1,3-diol will react with 1 mole of potassium dichromate 6. So D is not the answer. So we confirm that the answer to this question is A.